Marine fish farms typically require diesel to meet power requirements. Alternative renewable energy solutions must ensure reliable power to ensure they meet the needs of the farm looking after their fish and provide energy storage options, with emerging wave and tidal technologies showing potential. The ZOEX Wave Energy Converter, or WEC, can be attached to marine structures to provide reliable, clean power. The device has a rubber fender that moves with wave action, while an electromechanical generator captures these movements. A model of the ZOEX WEC was tested in the Kelvin Hydrodynamics Laboratory's wave tank. It proved effective for applications in smaller sea states, as found at some fish farm locations, with most other wave technologies requiring higher wave heights. The ZOEX WEC also produces no harmful emissions, making it a potential net zero solution for providing power in the aquaculture sector.